Hi again. Today I have an unboxing of a new rodeo bag charm. So this is a very popular color combination. So the pink is Rose Texas. The horsehair is Bleu Zanzibar. And then the saddle and the tie is in gold. So as with most rodeos, this is in lambskin. Has a little bit of a pillowy feel to it. And this pink and blue color combination is very popular. It's definitely hard to find. And we were lucky enough to be able to come across one, and we decided to pick it up. The pink and blue would definitely contrast very well on a black or neutral colored bag. It'll definitely add a bit of pop, a bit of color to it. Really depends on your style. In the US, this version of the rodeo is the Rodeo PM, and it retails for $460 as of June 2021. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below.